Hello students, my name is Gagandeep Singh and today we will do question number 7 of exercise 13.2 class 10. In this question, a solid is given which is a combination of conical part and a hemispherical part. Height of conical part is 120 centimeter and its radius is 60 centimeter. Radius of hemispherical part is also 60 centimeter. Now one cylindrical vessel is there which is full of water. Its height is 180 centimeter and its radius is 60 centimeter. Now according to question, when this solid is placed inside this cylindrical vessel, some volume of water flows out and we have to find the volume of water left inside this cylinder. So let us find. We know that volume of water flows out is equal to the volume of solid placed inside the cylinder. Let us find volume of the solid. Height of conical part is 120 centimeter. Radius of conical part is 60 centimeter. Radius of hemispherical part is 60 centimeter. So both radii are same. So now volume of solid is equal to volume of conical part plus volume of hemispherical part. Now volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So let us take common things. So we can see that 1 upon 3 pi is common and r square is also common. So remaining part is h plus 2r. Now keep values in formula. 1 by 3 pi as it is. Radius is 60. Height is 120 plus 2 into 60. It is 1 by 3 pi. Square of 60 is 3600. 60 into 2 is 120. 120 plus 120 is 240. 3 8s are 24. So it will be, its product is 288,000 pi centimeter cube. So volume of solid is 288,000 pi centimeter cube. Now volume of water flows out is equal to the volume of solid placed inside the cylinder. So volume of water flows out is equal to volume of solid, which is 288,000 pi centimeter cube. Now we will find volume of water in this cylindrical vessel. Volume of water in cylinder is pi r square h. Now keep values. Pi as it is. Radius is 60 and its height is given 180 centimeter. So pi square of 60 is 3600 into 180 and its product is 648,000 pi centimeter cube. Volume of water left in the cylinder is equal to volume of water in cylinder minus volume of water flows out. So keep values. 648,000 pi centimeter cube is the volume of water in the cylindrical vessel minus 288,000 pi centimeter cube is the volume of water flows out. So after subtraction it is 36,000 pi centimeter cube. Now 36,000 pi is 22 by 7. So let us convert this centimeter cube into meter cube. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1,000,000 centimeter cube. there will be 6 zeros. So now this centimeter cube we have to convert into meter cube. So in the denominator we will write this number 1,0,0,0,0,0. There will be 6 zeros and 4 zeros we can directly cancel, and after simplification it will be 1.131 meter cube approximate.